Yeah, today is Thanksgiving morning. One of the orange stray cats was waiting by the food bowl for his breakfast, and the wife put out some wet cat food since it's Thanksgiving. Then the other orange cat came around too, so we fed both the orange cats, and she filled up the dry food bowls, and between the two of them they ate about half of the dry food already. We'll monitor it during the day, make sure they have food. The squirrels coming around, the birds. And for our Thanksgiving, we're having a bowl of cabbage and cornbread dressing and honey baked ham. There's just the two of us. There's the ham and the dressing. There's the cabbage boiling. Dressing takes about 2 hours. Ham take about an hour. And, from that little bit of food, we'll get at least 20 plates. We'll run short of cabbage before we run out of anything, but between the ham and the dressing, it'll be at least 20 platefuls. For us, even a small hen turkey is too much turkey. Neither one of us are real heavy eaters. And it's not your traditional Thanksgiving meal, but it's pretty dang tasty. Dressing is simple. It's 2 loaves of cornbread from cornbread mix, 4 diced boiled eggs, 1½ medium-sized sweet onion, and 3 stalks of celery. The onion and celery get sauteed in butter, and then crush up the cornbread mix, add all the ingredients, and we also add 1 quart of chicken broth, and that gives it the poultry flavor. When it's in the oven, what's happening is you're evaporating the liquid from the broth and concentrating the flavor, and then blending all the other flavors. Simple dressing is real tasty. And, she boils the cabbage with bacon and onion. Gives it a nice flavor. Spiral cut honey baked ham. Get those at the grocery store. We got a medium sized one, not a tiny one. But when we get all done, I can use the ham for sandwiches too, for my lunches. But so once we get all the meals cooked, I'll do a video later of the finished plate with all the foods laid out. Should be tasty. Anyway, that's all for this one. Anchor.